in here, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I get from not to snatched, then just keep on watching. So in today's video, I'm going to show you not only how to snatch the nose, but to snatch your entire face. So I'm going to show you guys how to contour and how to highlight. I'm going to show you how to get your nose just right. You don't want to have those harsh lines running down your nose. So yeah, I'm gonna bring the concealer all the way up to the side of my nose, so I have like a natural contour, so I don't have to really work with those two lines going down. So I'm just gonna blend it seamlessly. So you want to just blend it really well. So you're going to put the concealer, so I'm going to be using 3 concealers, 2 to highlight and 1 to contour, and you're going to put the concealer like under the eyes, down the center of your nose, your forehead, across on your cupid's bow and your chin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend those out, and I'm gonna blend them like really good. As you can see, my nose already look contoured, even though I didn't add those dark lines down the side of my nose. So I'm going to go in with now a lighter shade of concealer, and I'm going to put that to the sides of my nose so that it can give it like a more snatched effect. So as you can see, like the brighter colors, the lighter concealers makes your face look a little wider, and then adding the darker concealer is going to snatch the face. So the light one makes the face look bigger, and the darker shade makes the face look smaller. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this darker shade of concealer to the top part of my nose, connecting it to the eyebrows. And the lines, they don't have to be perfect, because I'm going to go ahead and blend them out to get the snatched nose. So I'm gonna get that, what you call it, the Kim K nose. So I went ahead with NYX my Black Radiance concealer, and I went ahead and I did my cheeks and my forehead. So as you can see, I'm dragging down that dark concealer down the sides of my nose, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the contours, and I'm going to blend them really well. So I'm going to try and snatch my forehead. As you can see, my nose contour is really harsh, so I'm going to go ahead and use the same brush that I used to blend out my light concealer to dab over my nose to soften that contour. So I'm going to go ahead now with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set my highlighted areas. going to go ahead and use the powder to reverse contour under my contoured area so it's defined and, you know, give my face that snatched effect. So after that, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my face a little more, and then use it to dust off to dust away so that that line doesn't look that harsh. And I'm going to also use it over my nose. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Badescu facial spray and set my face. And then after setting my face, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline mascara in Badescu by Shayla, and I'm going to use that to place on my bottom lashes. Those are like my spider legs. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face using my Shayla Times Colourpop highlighter in the shade Boomin, and I'm going to use that on the eyes parts of my cheek, in the center of my nose between my eyes, and also on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and also my chin. Now onto the final part of my highlight and contour. I'm going to go ahead and add my blush. So whenever you're adding anything to your cheek, you want to add them in a downward motion. You don't want to put them across, you want to put them downward. So you're going to put your blush a little bit over your contour and under your highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lips off camera, and I'll see you.